Welcome back, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
So how do you feel after your medical checkup in London?
Yes, it went on very well.
After your well-deserved rest in London, what will Nigerians expect from your administration going forward?
Continuity.
While in London, you appointed a new Inspector General of Police. What do you expect from him?
Well, we went through the system. There was a committee by the Minister of Police Affairs, and they gave me some names, and he happens to be the one chosen. And he knows his job. He has been in it for a long time. He went through all the training. He has the necessary experience. So we expect, we have high expectations from him.
The performance of the new service chiefs, Your Excellency.
Oh yes, they have been in the system all the way. They know what is wrong, they know what is right, and I think they are doing their best. I hope their best will be good enough for Nigeria.
Thank you.